chị bé vết ule
chị bé vết ule
em bảo chị bé ule em bảo này cái em á làm phiền tiếp bên này xuống mà em có chưa em tại hen cái đã cho nên là kinh luôn với chú vok sa li an tram chum pol cái chắc na rei to to ka hay vok sa li an tram chum pol kan non ei do na vok sa hi ei rang mai la hei a chum hianin kan ei ve ngai lo chuan mizoram ka ngai chang piang ka ei chin bekang rep le mar chapui le so thing ka kan pola chuanin hei hi chu sangha urmin ania chuanin hi chu vok sa tui kha kal thaka kan pa hian chuan tui hi du ve lo wang hianin keima ta tur chau ka siam hi chu ma chuan hi chu an tram thur le englo tomato mar chapui carrot ti vel chopa kanon ei chau don chuan voi chu thil dang dei kan story ma kan in ton dan non ti ve te ulai dona I kan panaron soyanga I athayang angin karon le sakanga ama khanin voi khat kha ka da to I ma se enge komina khanin I heng haula hi I YouTube channel an siawa kan in ton dan ti content a hian mang sia an ti wa kha hi ka saka ka delete le de mo chuwang dan kan ron ti thale don I choi pain kan ron soi thale don ne can you tell them that how you feel in that review?
Yeah, my boss called me and asked me, do you want to come to China with me? I said, okay, for sure, I don't mind. So we went on a business trip to China, to Shenzhen, and I was there for, I think, 10 days. Yeah, and on the last few days of being there, I already have almost no meetings, almost nothing to do, but my boss still have a lot to do. So my part of the trip was already finished, but my boss still have so many things to do. So most of the times my boss just stay on the hotel, taking care on the computer of the stuff he need for the company. And I had nothing to do, so I started roaming in the city, visiting things close by to the hotel. And I think once the second time I go out, I go a little farther than normal, just looking. I never been in China, so I just look into stuff, and I see a coffee shop. I say, yeah, I'm Portuguese, coffee is life, so anyway, the coffee. And I went inside, and she was there with some friend. At first, I was just looking at the counter what I can order, but in China, 99.9% of the stuff there's no translation. So I was like just looking, I could not order.
They don't speak English?
No, they don't speak English. So I was having a hard time trying to order in English. And she come up and helped me. So after she helped me, I sit there and she invite me to just hang around. Just hang around. I was talking with her, and time passed. We exchanged WeChat.
Yeah.
WeChat, because WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook is very difficult in China. It's forbidden.
Have to have that
VPN. Yeah. My VPN was...
Without VPN, cannot connect.
Yeah, my VPN was broken. Could not work. So I use WeChat. And that day was that. After next day, we chat a bit and tried to meet again, but I could not. I had already stuff to do with my boss because we needed to go to Hong Kong. so I could not. And after Hong Kong, we come back faster than normal. Our flight had some problem, and we had to come back to Portugal 2 days sooner. Then it was scheduled, and I just come back to Portugal. But we can continue chatting. Just continue chatting, and started fell in love with her. And I think her with me also. That was in. I not know the month correctly. I just know it was before Easter of 2019 or 2020.
So
2020.
you come 2018
18.
with your boss, and you come again at 2019 alone.
Yeah, something like that.
After 6 months, you come back
Yeah, I come
to
back.
China to visit me.
Yeah. So we started talking online, and she said, "Oh, just come visit. The last time you just here in working, you could not do so many stuff. I was with my boss, and just come. And after my job, you can go to coffee shop, visit stuff. We went to visit that park.
Zoo.
The zoo, yeah, the zoo.
China
So
zoo.
big.
Guangzhou.
So I gathered some money for those months, get a new visa, and went. And everything was perfect. And after I come back, that's when the trouble started.
You stay there for 1 week.
1 week.
After 1 week, you
After
go back to Portugal.
I go back
After 3 days.
3 days. I was here in the kitchen. I video chat her. Video chat. She was very late there. She said, "Oh, I am tired. I went to sleep." I said, "Okay. See you tomorrow." And I come upstairs to have dinner. It was dinner time here. And I try to send you some message. Whatever. Some random stuff. And the message did not went through. And I say, weird. But sometimes happen with bad connection, or sometimes the VPN is broken and the message could not reach because we started using WhatsApp. So I say, okay, I'll try tomorrow. And next day I try to text her, nothing. I try to call her, nothing. So weird. Something is not right. But just one day, it's okay. So I continue trying 2 days, 3 days, and I say no, something is wrong. In WeChat, I try to text some other person that know her, that I had on WeChat. That person say, no, I don't know. I moved city. I don't know. I can try to contact her. They try to contact, cannot get through.
I was in jail.
She was in jail. But I was not sure. No one could say me, no, this happened or that happened. For me, it's just like stop responding. No? No?
I prefer pork. Can I get some smoke? Dum, dum, dum.
So yeah, for me it's like I'm really literally going crazy. It's no, how can it happen like that? We were okay, we just together, we just did a big trip, and there's no, we were not angry, nothing bad, it was just perfect. Impossible, something had happened. So 1 month passed, was past Christmas, New Year's, nothing. I contact embassy in China. They say no, we have no information. The authorities did not contact us about for a citizen of ours. Nope, there's nothing. But if we get some information, we'll contact you. I say okay, because oh yeah, I contact your sister. I contact her sister, Mizoram. Say, have you talked with her? No. And I say, because some person is telling me that if something like this happens, can be the person is in jail.
Yeah.
So I say, it's crazy. Why jail? And time passed. I'm worried. Your family is worried. No one knows what happened. And after 2 months and a few days, I put my phone always with noise, always. And I receive a call from WeChat. And I look at her name and I say, oh my god. She was inside a bus. We were inside a bus from China to Myanmar. You see, oh my god, what happened? And she saying, connection very bad, but I was in jail, like everything is okay. I'm okay. We will talk more.
Giờ cái căn tán sân lẻ rẻ mà in phải dọn trần cho nên cái gì giờ là han thật thì chung về cái tăng mà cái là chắc cái này là bạn bắt thung anh biết cái sợi khai đầu này làm đầu tiên đầu tự ta cái bắt thung gần nha cái chuyện thì bắt nhị nè cái này bắt thung bắt khát phải chua Mizoram miền gì đâu à anh nghe lết bản chung miền giang về chung và mà làm bằng miền này cần bắt thung khai nên cần hú mà hú con đồn tí ca police anh đồn lắm mà mình xoay ngay em mà hay chung cái lệ chuyện cái bộ cần dân trên khai hành chuyển nó mang thao lâu cần phone khai mình lạc sập mà lắm mà phone khai còn mang thầy đóng hoài sao ở sân chung cái giờ cần sản sinh cái chuyện đàn phần là bên cần lụt ta chơi nã kan nó thuộc của hai nên đàn phần là bên cần lụt ta cái như India mi tan thấy chuyện việc tất nhiên đàn phần của chuyện nên thấy được thuộc cái nhà xem Myanmar là một trong chuyện nên Apple Samsung cả mà xem Myanmar là một trong cần cái Trung Quốc cả nên công nói aru kinh đàn phần là bên cần cái lắm mà các bạn khán giả giờ cần tán report là oma.
Till you got reported. From a friend.
Say everything about that.
Just bad.
Then police can mình manta kampa ho atanga ni thum ni ani chu min manta em ma shil na man ka tak se lo wang khanin thani chum ti han ka chu ka chan chin she lo kha lo om ve mo rin om tak khan thani chum ka chu ni tin message here chia sẻ là chia bộ chia sẻ là cái phone kha heng pha na sa chu ni chu rei to kha police thawin kan phone กันชวนหัวปุเรียเขาเป็นกันฟ้อนเป็นเปียกเลยแต่พอข้างก็ฟ้อนกันอ่อนขจูก็คนไม่ไทยแล้วว่าฉันจูเมสเซจนี่ตินเขามีกระเบียกไทยเราชุ่มคันนี่ตินเมสเซจการอนทนโจลจวงเราบางครั้งค่ะเมสเซจการอนรูดตักกระฟ้อนกันหมอกอะไรเดือดชุ่มก็จะกำลังไม่ไทยแล้วนี่จูเพียงอาเพียงข้างน้องเรื่องอารมณ์ก็แล้วสวยเข้ากันสวยชงเลยสวยๆมาสร้างที่สมประกอบกลุ่มคันสร้างที่สมประเรียดกลุ่มคันนินอัฐาเขาเจียงเจ้าตัวแล้วว่าอันเท่าตัวอันหัดถวนนั่นมีอันบอสนั่นแห้งอันหัดที่หลายหล่นจริงนะมั้งก็จะมีจุ่มจานนินโปรเฟสเซอร์ปากกันในหัวแล้วที่ลำดูข้าลำไถเราฟังข้านินก็ว่าลำสักข้ามีจังข้านินสัมผัสข้าเราช่วยเราก็อามาเจ้าเนี่ยบางครั้งบอกตรงข้าเทียมบุกเสียแล้วก็นี่จะข้าจวนให้กันบอกเราตัวข้าจวนตรงข้ากันเราเทียมเลยตัวข้างกันตีอ่ะมิโซรัมมีกันตีอินเดียมีกันตีได้ข้าก็เสียละจีร์จวนนี่ใจนี่สมมติว่ามาเซอินเดียมีกันตีได้ข้าก็เสียละอินเดียมีกันตีได้ข้ามาจีร์จวนน่ะอ้อยแล้วว่าฉันจูให้กันฟังไม่ละน้ำดังเขาชิมนะไฟเขาอินเดียนั้นหัวดันแต่จูไม่ดูมันสร้างได้เลยกันไม่ละชิมเพราะไม่เจ้าเนี่ยเจ้าเนี่ยนั่นแล้วคือกระเทียมตัวราคาอินเดียเขาจูอะไรง่ายตบตาไม่เจ้ารำคาอมที่พอใช้แล้วชิมเพื่อแม่ป้าแต่ยังจะห่างกันเนี่ยสิลฟ้ากันอันเดียร์สักประมาณจะห่างอินเขาเราเวนั่นน่าทุกคนไม่กันเนี่ยแบบกันเนี่ยจะใช่ว่าหัวหนูปกกันโฟนจังเต็นว่าสับนัมเบอร์ที่เขาเล่นเป็ดที่เขาเล่นเป็ดชาวตัวเจ้าแล้วโหอาจารย์ฮารุกนูสร้างที่สมปักว่าออกโตบาร์ชานี่ตาอินก็เสียอารมณ์กันเลยมีรอนตลอดตัวค่ะอารมณ์กันเลยแล้วก็ขัดอารมณ์จ้าไหมมีรอนตลอดค่ะเราเรียนสอบปุ้ยดินแต่เราเอกสอบปุ้ยแต่ค่ะเนี่ยสักวันอะเด้กันก็ดูนะเด้ค่ะการผัดชุ่มค่ะเราก็มาโหเลยตาโหจังนี่ทุ่มนี่อ่ะเนี่ยเจ้าหล่ะจวนกันตามว่าตัวนี้สิเป็นมั่งอันนี้จะทักเราเจ้าจะกันตามสันเลียเลยมีสวนเดี๋ยวจะไม่ละให้ความรู้กันนี่เวชมิมันยังก็แต่ที่ข้าลินขันหิชุ่มค่ะเบียกไทยเราเลยจินเชียนเนี่ยเราข้างก็เอามาอีกไอ้มาปวดข้านี่กระดูกเราว่าก็ปลุกมันเล็ดอย่างติดแต่พวกเขาให้กระเรือข้านี่นะอมเวนี่จุ๊มาเสียขัดยังเราฟังข้าเราไงตัวแม่เราข้านี่ก็เบียกไทยเราชุ่มเลยนะมั้งก็เบียกไทยเราชุ่มลงค่ะนะคะมินเราพักเวนับแล้วทำไมนี่ก็เบียกไทยคนข้ากันมั้งเชื่อเวลตุกที่จวนนี่กันสวยเบลังว่าสวยเราพวกค่ะมิเจ้าระมาเจ้าจันกันชัวก็เนี่ยมิเจ้าระมากันแข็งขาโคโรนาค่ะอารมณ์แข็งโคโรนาค่ะอารมณ์แข็งโคโรนาค่ะมินดังตาอารมณ์กัดตุ้งมิเจ้าระมาค่ะนี่ก็แข็งเว้ยเลยค่ะมันกัดขาตุ้งเปี้ยมาเสียโคโรนาค่ะมินดังบางค่ะอารมณ์กัดไทยตลอดว่าไปมาสู้กับตัวข้างกันบ่อยเพื่อไปสักค่ะก็กระต่ายแต่พวกข้างก็สุดที่เวสักกันมาเสียเนี่ยกันดูคอมเมนต์ที่ข้าอ่านปุ่มแล้วว่าก็กระต่ายข้างกันกับหมู่เราตากันไปดงตามอามาค่ะสามหิและสมหิปทุมสามหิสมหิปหิว้าวแต่เราอีกคำจุดเดิม2022 or 2023 oh sang thì som hi pathi kumani chu mi lo ma aron in nei turin ama hi rong ka ta mo tuan kanin nei certificate nen khan del hi a pathi del la ka muta tuan hi thama ka sok ve thei ka ta anh ấy soi nó tuan soi tu nó tamanga arai nó ko ma ve ka ta ta voi ta tuan kha du to la tuan nin thil dang dai kan soi bel le lo ka nga kan lo te hi sara thing ve ta ma ni min tha sara min na cha nya kra kha tu ka du tuan la ba
Yeah, that part of the visa you were just talking about. It's quite difficult. Quite difficult. I went to immigration lawyer here in Portugal, who was very famous. And I went there and asked, look, the COVID is happening. I'm still working, my job was not affected. But we want to be together, and there's option for her to come here. What can we do? But document everything, and the lawyer says you need all of this document. Everything, we'll put everything most perfect possible, because sometimes embassies are crazy and don't accept document if the document is not perfect. So I paid and take the job of doing everything. Every document was organized, right? Remember, so perfectly. Even a dumb person could see everything. That was perfect. Everything from the list was there that the Embassy of Portugal required. And so difficult to get the appointment, remember? So difficult.
You have to buy it.
I had to buy it from the black market.
Black market appointment kan le ngai ani la chang kan song thai la ba chu ta po kan kan document kha dik la kim la he hi angai la ta min pele chewa ka voi khati na kha ni chang hay ka thiam lo ve lu to ka sha thiam lo ve lu to bok ti nen khan in vai ho khan min lo char ta ni ka ringa tu nuk ngai to le hian ye chunga la khan in thalak man tu ti khatia ang tia poisa choi tur na tur khatam to online in kan pa in a fee te VFS fee te khate ang shim choi nga zo pek vek nuwa khan apuna khan min pek non tir le fak bok sia ma oi ka in seng na sal tu ka Calcutta khan tu ta kan lam lo zo ya ka thin ni rim del to ka ne to nuwa del hi ka vati thalia del hi la khan in ma amuna poisa choi bel ngai om bok si lo tour kha free in ala om vek zo ri mo ta chu wang chuan ka fai ve du chu enge visa te hetiang in deal do na experience in la nei box si lo chuan Calcutta kal du su ti pui tu le kal pui tu thade te jin cha ko mu tu le khatiang te in ne ni lo chuan Calcutta tu kal du su vai hon phakka tu ka mo min bum na sa tu ka Delhi kal ro Delhi mun puya mo an fel tu chuan an phakar ngam lo bo.
Yeah, the way I did for Delhi and Kolkata, it was exactly the same. I paid everything. The only difference was we already married.
Min pek non tir fak mai ba ka thalak ta kha passport size ta kha pon mi kan pom lawan ta chu min lak non tir ma chuan min lak non tir kha passport size ta khan mana nei fak ka chuan in document hi overseas document kan pom lawan ta khu ta in hwaya khan in zu chukla zu print tir le ro antia ka zu print non tir le pon mo cheng sang ni le ti min choi tira print na po khan a print tu te ne na khan ka pe a ti khan khala tu te ne na po te khan ka pe zela a chunga po hanin poisa choi non kha tamani chu ta atopa engkim kan ti fel nuwa khami VFS fee kha min choi non tir le ni chu online a pek vek to ba ka khanin apuna khanin I pe ka ngai he chu ti za thi I pe ka ngai antiar min pe a persip sei tok mai hi min pe mo atuanin cheng sing ni le engzan ni kapele ni chu mo oi enge hai atura khan ka ngai ni chu ka voi khati na ni bang khan chin chang ka shivak pe bok se la ma se anuwa del hi ka vati le khan khatiang kha pakhat ma lo ngai si lo chumi nu chuan na ka thina rem to ko vai Calcutta a thok hau khamo staff te ha kangai to ka ni chu.
Yeah, it was a big difference. I paid even for the private, whatever option I put everything.
You paid
I pay everything
for the drinks and for the food.
Everything.
Yeah.
I say I don't care. I just want this to be the most fast and
the
perfect.
the free fucking into coffee the cold drinks te enge khang kha free fucking chunga khanin kan la thei kan du za kan la thei ni chuma Calcutta te pe kan chu tiang po pakhat ma lo I he tianga visa deal tur te mo khatiang inam chanin I Delhi nai zo ka ol sam zok ti du su I o ka ti so Calcutta nai zo ka ol sam zok ti du su I nang manin I experience in lâu này phép tổ anh in qua mà in cái này cho anh khai chú có suy thế ông lâu ta mà sẽ experience này bốc xí lâu trong thiam vóc bốc xí lâu in nhịp hay cho anh vai hơi anh bùm lép tóc tóc rồi chứ anh phắc cà ta anh phắc cà ta chứ mà sẽ để hiện cho anh ai tour chu mi cà free đi đủ ra ra để thấy mấy bác cả khăn online là in lâu biết tổ cho anh chunga khanin poisa pakhat ma choi non na tur on to la Calcutta nen chuanin leile ba na ngani ale kha zong khani se bo ina tang chuanin ka tong pui chuanin ka tong le chau do na khi dar ma to lawa amber bye bye tiro le
Say bye bye.
bye bye tiro le bye bye en la hi da la hi bye bye tiro te bye 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 bye
Bye. She went to eat the leftover of the snack.
Ole.
Bye
Bye bye.
Oh, bye bye.
Bye bye. Ule.
Bye bye. See you later.